Hi guys, it's Christina Marie here, and today I'm here with a brand new subscription. It is Lip Monthly. It is not a sponsored one. I did purchase this on my own. You get 4 to 5 full-size lip products each month for $12.95. There is a link down below if you'd like to check it out. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. I just put it there for your convenience. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I do beauty box reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and occasional giveaway. Speaking of giveaways, when this channel reaches 100 subscribers, we will be giving away free beauty products. So make sure that you stay tuned for that. Your odds are going to be great. So I'm excited to kind of dive into this bag and see what's all on the inside here. There's this cute little bag here. So if you guys have tried Lip Monthly before, let me know, did they send the same thing in every bag, or are the bags kind of curated to you personally? Or let me know, because I'm kind of just getting started with them. So the first item here is the Laritzy Cosmetics Lipstick Crayon Rouge in the color Plum. I do like the Laritzy lipsticks. Let me just open it here. Here's what this looks like. This does retail for $20, so you just paid the price in just this one item here. And a little bit about the Laritzy lipsticks is they do it all, liner and lipstick all on one, with a dreamy satin finish formulated for ultimate comfort. We took out the heavy feel of traditional lipsticks and created a lightweight buildable lip color in 6 universal shades. I don't know why I couldn't say that. The creamy color rich formula will keep your lips comfortable and hydrated. So let me just swatch this on. Ooh, it's a really pretty plum color. Here's what it looks like here. And let me just take off my current lipstick. Just using a makeup remover wipe. I've been really liking the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes lately. So here's what it kind of looks like. It's a little bit more drying than what I would have thought. I don't know, I guess I like things a little bit more creamier than this. So we'll give it a fair shake and we'll try it out, and I'll let you know in like a follow-up video or something what I thought of certain products. The next item is the Jing Tinted Lip Balm. Kind of looks like this. Let's see if we can. Here's the tint. I do like tinted lip balms, so let me take this one off. It doesn't have much of a color to it, but I really like how it feels. It's obviously very balmy. It does have kind of a vanilla, and yeah, it says on the back here, vanilla and peppermint. So this retails for $6. It's non-GMO, certified organic ingredients, is cruelty-free. So the next item is from Bang Beauty. It is a liquid lipstick that is in the shade Pink Dream. And this one retails for $18. And it is a cruelty-free brand. It kind of looks like this. And it's the Bang Beauty's transfer-proof matte liquid lipstick in long-wearing, highly pigmented, and ultra-light weight and comfortable. When first applied, it glides on creamy and dries to a matte finish. So let me take the balm off. Put this guy on. Is the doe foot applicator. So here's what that one looks like. I think it's a really pretty shade. Let me swatch that on the back of the hand, because I didn't do that. So that's what that one kind of looks like. And then I didn't swatch the Balm either. I don't know if it'll show up or not. So here was that first one, that lipstick. Here's the liquid lip, and here's the Balm. The fourth and final product is by Ibby Beauty, and I have tried Ibby Beauty products in the past. It is their lip liner pencil, retails for $6. Ibby Beauty is cruelty free. It's a contouring lip liner that helps achieve the specific defined palette designed to enhance the natural shape of the lip. This water-resistant lip liner is great for lining. Also try it over the lips as a lip color. The long-wearing formula is perfect for everyday use. This is, it's a pencil product, a wooden pencil. And I normally don't get along with wooden pencils. Wooden pencils are great if you are a makeup artist because they are easy to disinfect and sanitize between clients. If you're just using it on yourself, you know, you can use a retractable lid, or there's other different types of lip products that you can use. So that's what I prefer. I just don't prefer the wooden. So I'm not going to swatch this. I'm going to pass this one along to somebody I know who will really love it. So which of the products did you like? I think this one's probably my least favorite just because I'm not going to get any use out of it. I would say next least is probably the lipstick because it seemed a little bit drying. And then I would probably go third is the Bang Beauty. So this is the second from the top, and I would actually say my top product is the lip balm. I think I'm gonna really like this. What was your order of products that you liked? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It really means a lot to me when you do, and hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye!